This old guy DIY technique has to do with making a portable manual winch that can be used for pulling ATVs or other things that weigh less than 1,400 pounds out of the muck. So basically what I did is took a 1,400 pound winch that came from a boat trailer I had once upon a time, and then I went to LKQ, the local junkyard, and you can get these tow hooks from Ford trucks for about $5 a piece. So I took the tow hook and I laid it to the bottom of the winch, and I had to do a little bit of drilling with a step drill, but I have two 1/2-inch bolts in there, so that gives you a shear force of about 16,000 pounds. So there's no way you're going to break this thing if you're winching something. And the size right here of the tow hook is perfect. If you have a anchor point that's a vehicle, you just drop this thing right over the hitch on the back, and if you need to tie it to a tree, and you use one of these straps in a clevis and just put that on there, and then put the hook to the ATV or whatever it is that you're pulling out. But this thing has worked for me for pulling ATVs out of the muck, and also when I shot a buck back in an area that was tough to get to. Although it took some time, I was able to use this thing, tie off on a tree, and then just use that winch to pull them up the hill. But any place that you need a manual winch, you could also put this thing on the front of a trailer if you're trying to load loads of 1,500 pounds or so. But anyway, just a nice cheap way to make a portable winch. And if this thing helps you out, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe. Have a nice day.